What's up, performance marketers? I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel where we talk about everything about lead generation and online marketing. My name is Eric Beer, and let's get into it. Got to figure out how to focus, right? That's my biggest challenge is focus. So from an entrepreneur's perspective, you want to take the time to think about what it is you want to do, because when you focus, that's where the genius comes out and you get things done. And for you entrepreneurs out there, you don't have to do everything. If you're not good at copy, don't worry about it. Go find somebody that's good at copy. If you're not good at design, go find a design. If you're good at execution and operations, great. Well, then go find somebody that's a marketer, right? So the whole idea is just figuring out first, what are you good at? And then taking that to the next level of, what are you missing? What do you need? You should always ask yourself the why, and then figure out what is it that you feel comfortable executing on. Where do you want to play in your business? Do you want to be the one that's creating all the content and being out as the front of the business? That's great. And then as you start to generate cash flow, now you can build the business and build people around you. That's really important. But whenever you're looking for a partner in that respect, I recommend, from my experience, that even if they are the best in that specific job or task that you need to make sure that you like them as a person and that they are similar to you in your beliefs. If they're not, it's a recipe for disaster. The relationship is going to hurt it, right? And it's going to be a stressful time, and that is not what you're all about. This is supposed to be fun. It's supposed to enjoy what you're doing, right? You want to have passion and enjoy waking up and doing what you do. I just want to let you know that I have a new texting community where you can ask me any question you want. All you got to do is take out your phone and send me a text, 917-636-1998. What's going to happen is you're going to say hello to me. I'm going to add you to my phone. You're going to add me to your phone. And then we're going to be able to communicate through text and talk about anything you want. Any questions you have from this episode or any in the future, fire away, and I will personally respond to you. Spending about 30 minutes a day there responding to everybody, so feel free to take advantage of that. Love to hear from you. 917-636-1998. The survey detective world, right? As a performance marketer, right, you want to use surveys to generate leads. Well, we always talk about segmentation. We always talk about taking your customers and grouping them by similar characteristics. And a lot of marketers will come and want to get right into doing a segmentation survey funnel. The challenge is they kind of know, but they're guessing. You need to do some research, some market research, to understand who your audience is, but not only to understand who they are, but it's more around letting them tell you. That's a simple one question. What's your biggest issue, right? When it comes to selling cars, what's your biggest challenge? And the people you want to ask, and this is really important too, find the people that are the perfect fit for what you do. And you want to pick their brain and understand them. You could do it with a Facebook group, right? You can call them up and ask them questions. You can ask them questions over Facebook Messenger or Skype in some message, right, where you're asking them, 5 to 6 questions, all just kind of understanding your customer, right? And what that does is it allows you then to understand your segments. And when you understand your segments, that's where it becomes really powerful. It's not just one person, right? For me, like 3 to 5 type of people, because they all have their story, they all have their reasons, and what your job is to group the people that have similar characteristics so that they can all fall into the same group, the same bucket of each segment. Because then what that allows you to do is, instead of talking about the 4 or 5 or 6 things that you do well for all of those people, you can focus on the specific thing that one segment is having a challenge with. If you like the content that you're listening to, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and leave a comment below. I'd appreciate it. It goes a long way, and me being able to talk to you through this YouTube channel is everything to me. So anything you could do, I appreciate it.